Hello everyone, I will give you a walkthrough of the game Codes and Hurdles. Press the button that says Enter the game and log in through your registered email ID. The first thing that appears is the rulebook. The rulebook has all the instructions that will help you to advance in the game. You read it out carefully and then cross it out. In the bottom right corner, there is a floating button that has three options, namely the leaderboard, the rulebook, and the logout option. And in the you read the rulebook at any time throughout the game, you cross it out, and in the top right corner, your life score will be reflected throughout the game. Now I will show you all the possibilities in the game. You roll the dice and you get a ladder. The ladder will give you extra points without you solving any question. You roll the dice again and you get an aptitude question. The aptitude question can only be attempted once. Either you attempt it correctly or you give a wrong submission. You have to attempt it in the form of option name, namely A, B, C or D. Here is how you can skip the question. Let's say I press B and enter. The wrong submission will deduct the points and the points will be reflected. You roll the dice again and you get a bonus question. It will first of all ask you whether you want to take the risk of attempting the question or not. If you press OK, there is no coming back. Then it will ask you about your strong point. Let's say I press aptitude and it will show you an aptitude question. If you solve it correctly, it will lead to extra positive points and that will reflect in your score on the scoreboard. You roll the dice again and you get a black box. There are some black boxes in the game that will have no question. You just roll the dice again and you get a snake now. You are bitten by a snake and that means the points will be deducted from your scoreboard. Now there is a CP question. The CP question will give you a link redirecting to a HackerRank contest. Just copy the link and paste in the URL. After successful submission of the contest, you just go to our Discord server and in the corresponding text channel of the contest name, you enter your HackerRank ID. Let's say the contest code is H002. You go to the text channel and enter your HackerRank ID and press done. One of our team members will DM you a passkey which you will copy and enter in the portal, and that will give you a right submission. You roll the dice again. When you reach the box number 36, your game will get over. You can access the live leaderboard at any time throughout the game. It will give you your position number, your current position number, and the score that you have earned so far. You can now log out from the game. Thank you and make sure to follow us on Discord and Instagram.